China ang isa sa mga naging sentro ng paggawaan ng mga sasakyan sa buong mundo. May mga joint ventures rin sila sa mga foreign car companies tulad ng Volkswagen Group. Siyempre, sa dami ng mga bumibili ng sasakyan doon, mas okay kung sila na rin ang gagawa. Mas makakatipid pa sila dahil sa mas murang labor. If you look into the numbers, the Chinese market has sold over 20 million units in 2019 as compared to Japan's 8 million units and Germany's 4 million. With that in mind, several cars sold in the Philippines are manufactured in China, including vehicles from non-Chinese brands. Aside from joint ventures, sourcing cars from China makes a vehicle's price tag relatively more affordable due to the ASEAN-China Free Trade Agreement. Ibig sabihin, halos walang tax ang mga sasakyan kung galing ito sa China. I'm Stanley Chi for Philkotse's Hit List, and in this episode, we will talk about the list of Chinese cars you can buy in the Philippines. Before we start, please subscribe to Philkotse's YouTube channel, click the bell icon for updates. Philkotse is the #1 car portal in the Philippines. The ground rules for the episode are the following. Kailangan available in the Philippines at dapat made in China. Let's start the list in no particular order. The list of Chinese cars you can buy in the Philippines. Number 1, BAIC. BAIC hindi yung bisikleta. BAIC as in Beijing Automotive International Corporation. BAIC is a Chinese car brand known for its budget-friendly vehicles. Some of its locally available models are the MZ40 and BJ20. The price of BAIC vehicles in the country ranges from 488,000 pesos to 1,288,000 pesos. Fun fact, alam nyo ba na ang tagline nila ay acronym rin? Better and Ingenious Choice. Nung una nalito rin ako sa pronunciation, napabike rin ako as in, boy, am I confused? Number 2, BYD. BYD Auto or Build Your Dreams entered the local market in 2012. BYD is also known in China to manufacture buses, electric bicycles, trucks, forklifts, and more. Ibig sabihin, kaya nilang gumawa ng mga matibay na sasakyang pang-araw-araw. Grabe ang hilig ng Chinese cars sa mga acronyms. Pangalawa na to. Akala ko nga yung BYD means big, yellow, dog. Kayo Number 3, CHANGHE. CHANGHE vehicles in the country are distributed by Laos Auto Group, the same distributor as HAIMA, Nissan, Ford, Mitsubishi, and more. CHANGHE currently has 3 dealerships in the country, which are all situated in Luzon, specifically in Pampanga, Angeles, and La Union. So kung nandun ka sa mga lugar na yon, huwag na kayong magtaka kung maraming CHANGHE cars doon. Number 4, CHERY. CHERY, not the cell phone, but the car is not new in the eyes of many Filipinos, as it was introduced locally in the mid-2000s. This Chinese car brand is currently selling a fleet of crossovers only, namely the CHERY Tiggo 2 na ni-review namin dito sa Philkotse, Tiggo 5X, Tiggo 7, and the Tiggo 8. Number 5, Chevrolet. The Chevrolet Sail is introduced locally as the American carmaker's entry-level sedan. Since the Sail benefits from the Free Trade Agreement, it comes with affordable pricing that starts at 791,000 pesos for the base MT variant. Kahit mga US brands sa China pala nagpapagawa ng mga sasakyan. Number 6, Ford. Uy, another US brand Did you know that 2 of the most affordable vehicles from Ford are both imported from China? With this being said, more car buyers can get their hands on American vehicles without spending a hefty amount of cash. The Ford Territory is the car brand's latest addition in its local lineup. Number 7, FOTON. FOTON, ito yung sponsor ni Kuya Willie sa show niya.
Ang pogi mo, Kuya Will! Dagdagan mo!
It establishes itself in the local market as a car brand that manufactures reliable commercial vehicles and trucks. Pang-deliver ng mga bagay-bagay, ibig sabihin matibay ito at matatag. The Chinese car brand currently offers the Transvan, Traveler, Tuano, Thunder, and Toplander. Number 8, GAC. On November 7, 2018, GAC Motor is introduced in the local market and now has established 3 dealerships in Luzon. GAC is a Chinese car brand known for its collaboration with Japanese car brands such as Honda, Toyota, and Mitsubishi. Uy, matindi ito ah. Kahit pala mga car brands, may mga collab-collab din na nangyayari. Akala ko sa YouTube lang eh. Number 9, Geely. Geely is slowly making its way to the top of the local market thanks to its affordable yet sophisticated Coolray, a subcompact crossover. Geely is also offering the Geely Ascara na ni-review namin sa channel na to, a 5-seater compact crossover. In addition, the company has plans to further expand its local model lineup. Number 10, HYUNDAI, another China and Japan partnership. HYUNDAI is a Chinese car brand formed by a partnership between the Hainan provincial government and the renowned Japanese car brand Mazda Motor Corporation. As of this writing, HYUNDAI has 11 dealerships in the country. Uy, sana kung masira yung HYUNDAI, pwedeng ipaayos sa Mazda para mas accessible sa lahat. Number 11, Hyundai. The Hyundai Reina, the kalaban of Vios, is your entry-level vehicle to the emerging Korean car brand. It is practical, reliable, and affordable with a price point that starts at 663,000 pesos for the base MT variant and goes up to the top spec 80 variant priced at 763,000 pesos. Number 12, Jack. Jack found its way into the local automotive market way back in 2007. Uy, matagal-tagal na pala to. Aside from its lineup of trucks and commercial vehicles, Jack offers reliable passenger vehicles such as J4, M3, M4, S1, S2, S3, S7, Sunray, and T6. Akalain mo yon? Ang daming matitibay na sasakyan na ginagawa pala sa China. Number 13, KAICENE. KAICENE is a Chinese car brand that is a subsidiary of CHANGHE International Corporation. In the country, Berjaya Auto Asia Incorporated is the official distributor of KAICENE vehicles. The Chinese car brand is currently offering the X5 truck, Star Truck, and Honor S. Number 14, Jeep. The Compass and the Renegade could have been priced higher if it weren't sourced from China. As such, Filipinos can get their hands on the renowned American vehicles at a lower price tag. Akala nyo sa Pinas ginagawa yung mga Jeep? Hindi ah, it's made in China. Number 15, Kia. The Soluto subcompact sedan helped Kia boost its local sales figure in 2019. It comes with affordable pricing that starts at 665,000 pesos. On the other hand, Kia Philippines confirmed that the Stonic subcompact crossover will be sourced from China. Uy, malapit na to i-launch ha. Number 16, MAXUS. MAXUS is a car brand that is continuously expanding its local model lineup. As of this writing, it's offering the V80 T60 pickup truck, G10, and the newly launched MAXUS G50. Number 17, MG. MG is showing a significant increase in sales figures in the local market thanks to the ZS subcompact crossover. MG offers brand new cars that come with affordable and competitive pricing, at kung nakatutok kayo lagi sa YouTube ng Philkotse, kinumpara namin ang MG5 sa Toyota Vios. Number 18, Volkswagen. After joining Ayala's AC Industrials, Volkswagen decided to source its cars from China. With this, Filipinos can now own a German vehicle at a more affordable price. Volkswagen Philippines currently offers Lamando, La Vida, Santana, Santana GTS, and Tiguan. There you have it, the list of China cars you can buy in the Philippines. I'm Stanley Chi, Philkotse's Hitman for Philkotse's Hit List. Please help us reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube before the end of the year. Ang dami palang sasakyan na galing sa China. Pinahirapan niyo ako dun ha. Sa dami ng acronyms ng mga sasakyan made in China, ito lang ang masasabi ko. China, come here, I need affection.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Philkotse, the country's #1 online car portal.